complex number. The complex number is a order pair of the real numbers, and it is represented by z equal to x plus iy, I square equal to -1, then x be the real part, y be the imaginary part. And we can discuss about the some properties of the complex number, equality of the complex numbers, and modulus of the complex numbers, and addition of the two complex numbers. When you take the two complex number z1 equal to x1 plus iy1, z2 equal to x2 plus iy2, if you want to addition, real part plus real part, imaginary part plus imaginary part. Subtraction same way. Now we can discuss about the polar form of the complex number.
Assalamu alaikum,
Polar,
sir.
Walaikum assalam. Polar form of the complex number, that means suppose if you want to convert the polar number, so we know x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. If you want to convert the r and theta in the r and theta, then it is the graphical representation. X axis with the real axis, y axis the imaginary axis. Is the x, is the y, this is the theta, this is the modulus function p equal to r theta. Then we can put in the graphical representation, x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, r cos theta plus I sin theta. Using the De Morgan's theorem, e to the power I theta, so z equal to r e to the power I theta. This is the polar form of the complex number. And modulus of the polar form, modulus of z equal to r. And argument of z equal to theta. Last class we have discussed about this portion. An argument suppose z equal to x plus iy be a complex numbers. If we want to find the argument equal to tan inverse y by x, and argument of z equal to tan inverse y by x, this is called the principal argument. If you want to find the general argument, 2n pi plus principal argument. Noted down, everybody noted down of this. The principal general argument equal to 2n pi plus principal argument. So when you can find the argument of any complex number, at first we can find the argument z equal to tan inverse y by x. It is called the principal argument. If we want to find the what is the general argument of the given function, 2n pi plus principal argument. I can go to the problem. Now. Suppose
Sir,
they find
formula
the
কি লিখতে পারিনি, sir?
Yes, please. Note it down, please.
Hello, sir.
Have done?
In general argument, sir, there is a question, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, in general argument, what is the n?
N is the number of positive integer. N may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Positive integer. So general argument equal to 2n pi by principal argument. I can discuss on the whiteboard. Just later few minutes. So general argument equal to 2n pi plus principal argument. Right? If we want to go to the example now, suppose so find the modulus and argument of the function here. You can note it the maths, friends. You can note it the maths. Just maths. You can note it the maths. So find the problem. You can find the problem, please. Find the modulus and argument of the following complex number. When you have finished, you can knock me, sir, have done. Then I can go scrolling and we can go to the next slide.
Sure, sir, done.
Okay. I can explain at the maths here. Suppose third number of math, z equal to 2 plus I, z equal to 2 plus I by 3 minus. At first, you can express the complex number in the general form x plus iy. So I can use the formula a plus b whole square, both numerator and denominator function. We can write 3 plus 4i minus 8 minus 6i. When you get these types of complex number, you have to rationalization. Rationalization, that means you multiplication opposite sides of the just denominator function. denominator function, 8 minus 6, you can opposite function multiplication, and then we will get this the complex number z equal to half I. So modulus of the complex number equal to half, and our principal argument tan inverse y by x, এখানে y equal to half, x equal to 1. So general argument, that means 2n pi plus tan inverse half, that principal arguments. I hope that all of my friends are clear about this maths. Sir, sir, I can go to the solve this maths in the whiteboard. I can solve the maths in whiteboard, please.
Of course, sir. Sure.
It needed. Okay.
Yes,
You noted that when I can ask
Yes,
the
sir.
maths, you can help me. Okay, I go to the whiteboard. You can help me this maths, please. We can ask you. You can see the whiteboard. Rokibul Islam, you can see the whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we know that the argument of z equal to theta, we can just write tan inverse y by x. This is the argument, and this argument is called the principal argument. Sorry. Principal argument. Argument z equal to tan inverse y by x. This is the principal argument. But every complex number had the general argument. So general argument of z equal to always time 2n pi plus principal argument. That is the fact. I hope that Rokibul Islam and all of my friends are clear about the general argument. Are you clear? Are you clear, friend? Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. We want to discuss about the problem now. We want to discuss about a problem, modulus and argument. Maybe what was the maths? Please help me. What was the maths? Please? Z equal to what was the maths? Please help me.
2 plus I divided by
2 plus I divided by
3 minus I
3 minus I whole square.
whole
Maybe.
square.
Okay. So when you can find the modulus and argument, find the modulus and argument, find the modulus and argument of z of the given maths. So if you want to find the modulus argument, at first we can simplify the complex number. If you want to go to the next slide, everybody, when you can just write on a slide or whiteboard, you can just note it with me. I go to the next slide. No problem. I go to the next slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So at first we can simplify. If you want to go to the solution of the complex number, the z equal to what was the maths? Please help me.
So z equal to z plus I.
Z equal to
So 2 plus I
2 plus I
2 plus I
divided by 3
divided by
minus
3
I
minus I
3 minus I. Sorry, 3 minus I
whole
whole
square.
square.
whole square.
So at first we can simplify. That means we can just 4 minus 4I minus 1. Am I right? 9 minus 6I minus 1. Am I right, please? Just a plus b whole square, sir. Just we can write 2 plus I whole square and 3 minus I whole square. That means a square a square, that means 4, plus 2ab, that means maybe 4i, na? 4i, naki? Minus I square, that means minus 1, tale 4i maybe. 4i, sorry, 4i. And a square, that means 9, minus 2ab, 6i, plus I square equal to minus 1. That means this. So if you want to simplify this, so 3 plus 4i and 8 minus 6i. But when this type of expression of the complex number, if you want to simplify, you must have to rationalization. That means you have to 3 plus 4i, you have to multiply the opposite of the denominator function. So 8 plus 6i and 8 minus 6i, 8 plus 6i. We have to calculate it with this. That means 24 24i. So 34i plus 18i minus 24. Am I right? Tanjirul, Afsana, Rokib, am I right?
Yes, sir.
And 64 minus 48i plus 48i plus 36. Am I right? And we can just 24 and 24 cancelling. So 32 plus 18. What is the value? Please?
Sir, 50.
60. Okay. Or 50.
Yes, sir.
50i. Numerator function. Denominator function may be 48i, 48 cancelling. What is the value? 64 plus 36. What is the value? 100. That means we can
100.
write now half I. So the complex number is expressed this form. That means half I. That is the complex numbers. Everybody are clear? Up to this, everybody clear? Simplification of the complex number. Everybody
Yes,
clear
sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
So if we want to judge, so z equal to, we can write 0 plus half I. There is no real part. So if we find the modulus at first, we find the modulus. That means modulus of z equal to, we know previous lectures. So real part, that means 0 square. Imaginary part, that means half square. So easily we can write the value of half. Am I right? Tanjirul?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right, Rokib? The modulus equal to half. Now we can find the argument. Any question from this slide? My dear beloved students, any question from the slide up to modulus?
No, sir.
No, sir.
If you want to go into the next slide, then argument of z equal to, we know argument z equal to, that means theta equal to tan inverse y by x, because the complex number we can find z equal to half I. So you can just tan inverse y equal to complex field, that means half, x equal to 1, so tan inverse half equal to theta by argument of z. This is the argument of z. It is called the principal argument.
Sir,
Of z equal to, yes please.
sir, the argument z is equal to tan inverse half. এই লাইনটা স্যার একটু রিপিট করলে ভালো হতো।
Tan inverse half, there is no real part here. There is no real part. Z equal to tangible 0 plus half I. So this is the x, this is the y. So y equal to half. Are you clear? So the general argument. General argument of z equal to 2n pi plus tan inverse half. Otherwise we can write 2n pi. What is the value of tan inverse pi? By using calculator, tan inverse half, what is the value? Tan inverse half, what is the calculating value? That is the value. You can use these types, otherwise you can write the calculating value. Everybody are clear now? Please.
Sir, 26.5. Sir, 26.56.
That's things. Okay, Rokib. So if you want to just this is the general argument. Rokib was a question. If you put n equal to 1, you can get the what is the first quadrant. Equal to n equal to 2, it is the go to the second quadrant. You can just, this is the general form. Okay, are you clear, my dear friends? Are you clear now? Everybody are clear? Any question?
Sir, clear.
Any question from here? No question, please. No question, friends.
Question up to this. Oh, what is the model?
Sir, number 2 current modulus of z minus 1
Modulus z minus 1
divided by z plus 1.
Z plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Z minus 1 by z plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Equals to 2.
Okay, we can solve it. Equals to, okay, just 1 minute, please. Number 2, problem equals to equals to 2, where z equal to, okay, I solve this, z equal to x plus iy. Okay, I solve this math step by step. Everybody, you take your khata and pen and solve this. So at first, given that the modulus of z minus 1 by z plus 1 equals to 2. So we know the properties of complex number. The modulus, that means modulus z minus 1 modulus z plus 1 equal to 2. We can just cross product equal to 2 into z plus 1. And we know z equal to x plus iy minus 1, 2 into x plus iy plus 1. We find the modulus of the given function here. Suppose this is a real part x plus 1 plus iy. We can just simplify at first, then we can easily calculating x plus 1, sorry, x minus 1 eta, and x plus 1 plus iy. So we can write now modulus function, that means root over x minus 1 whole square plus y square 2 root over x plus 1 whole square plus y square. Am I right, friend? Up to this, any question? Any question up to this?
No, sir.
Any question? And just we just
No, sir.
squaring both sides, so x minus 1 whole square y square equal to 4 x plus 1 whole square y square. Am I right, friend? Am I right? Am I right? Right? Am I right? We just calculation here. We just calculation. So x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square left hand side. Right hand side we can write now x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square, and we have to calculation now x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square equal to 4x square plus 8x plus 4 plus 4y square. I hope that up to this no question. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And you can just side change on side. We can write now. If we write the side change, what is the value? Rocky. That means 3x square
Plus 10x.
3x square
Sir,
plus
3x square plus
10x
10x plus 3 plus 3y
10x
square.
plus 3y square
Plus
plus
3.
3. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the equation of this? What is the equation of this? What is the name of the equation?
Sir, circle.
Circle. It is the equation of circle. কারণ আমরা জানি x square plus y square plus 2ab plus 2b square circle. Find the center
Sir,
of this. Find the
x square plus y square coefficient গুলো equal, মানে দুইটাই 3.
Yes. তাহলে so এখানে 10x, right? So
স্যার এইখানে -2x ছিল না স্যার?
minus
এই যে x স্কয়ার -2x + 1 + y স্কয়ার না?
হ্যাঁ এটা -2x মাইনাস তাহলে কত হলো স্যার? মাইনাস যদি হয় এটা 6x না?
স্যার -10x হবে।
মাইনাস না
স্যার
যদি অল সাইড
-10x না 10x ই হবে, প্লাস 10x ই হবে।
না x স্কয়ার আমরা এই সাইডে নিয়ে x স্কয়ার নিই তাহলে 10x, এখানে মাইনাস গুলো ওখানে প্লাসই হচ্ছে তো প্লাসই হচ্ছে ঠিকই আছে। সো হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ফাইন্ড দ্য সেন্টার বের করো। ফাইন্ড দ্য সেন্টার কত স্যার? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য সেন্টার অফ দিস? then you can just what is the center of this, please? What is the center of this circle? Center ta ber karo. What is the center of the circle? Find the center of the circle. This is the general form. I can write the general form, please. X square, I write the general x square plus y square plus 2.
স্যার ইয়া হবে -5 আর হচ্ছে -1.5।
Yes, this is the center equal to minus g minus f.
Sir.
Minus g. Yes, কত center?
স্যার জেনারেল ফর্মটা স্যার একটু লিখলে ভালো হতো।
জেনারেল ফর্মটা যে আমি এখানে লিখছি
স্যার -5 কমা -1.5।
আমি একটু জেনারেল ফর্মটা লিখে দিই আফসানা, একটু 1 মিনিট। অনেক ফ্রেন্ডরা আমার জেনারেল ফর্মটা আমি এখানে লিখে দিই একটু, তাহলে ইউ ক্যান গেট দ্য মোর ইন্টারেস্ট। জেনারেল ফর্ম এই যে জেনারেল ফর্ম যে x স্কয়ার প্লাস y স্কয়ার প্লাস 2gx প্লাস 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of the circle. Is center equal to minus g minus f and radius to the root over z square plus ap square minus c. Rokib, are you clear now? This is the center, this is the radius. Then what is the center? Option, what is the center now?
Sir, minus 5, comma 0.
Minus 5 comma up.
Sir, 0.
0 0 এখানে 0 কারণ there is no এখানে 0 অবশ্যই 0 there is no y 2cx না এখানে 3 টা কমন নিতে হবে অপশন না হ্যালো
স্যার এখানে 3 আছে স্যার
3 আছে ওকে so when you can just so general equation equal to 3x square just follow me 10x plus 3y square plus 3 equal to 0 you must have to general form so 3 is the common factor here you must have to 3x square plus 10 by 3x plus y square plus 1 equal to 0 so this is the equation of circle right so what is the center minus 10 by 3 0 and radius what is the radius please
Sir, 5 by 3 হবে না? Minus 5 by 3.
এখানে just 5 y5 2 into
Sir,
তাহলে
2
5 by 3
2
yes 5 by 3 yes 5 by 3 2 আছে 5 by 3 radius what is the radius
5 by 3 whole square plus
5 by 3 whole square
plus
0
square.
minus 1
Yes, sir.
minus 1 that is the center that is the radius I hope that all friends are clear now we can draw the graph now you can draw the graph now center equal to minus 5 by 3 so if you draw the graph 5 by 3 center 5 by 3 that means 2 1 point something am I right this is the center am I right maybe and radius equal to 5 by 3 that means so 125 minus 3 radius koto sir 25 minus that means root over 25 by 9 minus 1 that means 25 minus 9 by 9 that's why 16 by 9 that is 4 by 3 so 4 by 3 that means 1 so maybe these types of circle everybody are clear about this maths everybody are clear now hello any question any observation from this maths Rakib, can you hear me properly? Rakib, can you hear me? Tanjirul.
Yes, sir. শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
yes sir
Okay, no question here. No question.
sir.
No question. Okay, fine. I can go to the slide again. Everybody noted this? I can skip the slide. I go to the slide. Again, another slide. No problem?
Yes, sir, no problem, sir.
So we know how to represent the region. Now I can discuss the another types of problem. Another types of problem. Suppose when inequality is given here. Can you see the slide? Page number 10. Page number 10. Can you see
Yes,
the
sir.
slide? Okay. When inequality, equation not given, inequality is given. How to describe the region, please? How to describe the region? Inequality is given. So, if we want to solve this maths, at first it is very easily. 1 less equal to modulo z plus 1 less equal to 2. At first we can simplify the complex numbers on less than x plus 1 plus iy and we can modulus of this. It is also a two equation of circle here. Two equation of circle here. The inequality represent the set of all points of between two circles. Suppose when you get this is the circle number 1 and when you get this is the circle number 2. I can come on the whiteboard. on the whiteboard. So cycle number 1, that means 1 is less than this, after less than 2. Maybe it is represented by whiteboard, then we can very interest. Am I right? You noted at first the maths. Noted. Tanjirul noted at first the maths. Then I can explain in whiteboard. Noted, please. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Noted.
done.
Done. I go to the whiteboard. Then we can more interest, please. Say to me, what is the problem, please? Anyone can say to me, what is the problem of inequality?
Sir, describe the region.
Kali matchta. 1 less
Sir,
equal
1
to
less than
modular z plus
1.
1,
Less than and equal to 2.
2. Okay. We can solve this.
तो less than or equal to नहीं sir.
can-
One
Only
less
less
than
than.
only.
Okay. Sorry, Tanjirul. Thank you for correction. Okay, we can just solve this math. Everybody noted with me. This test math is very important for the exam period. Okay. So at first we can simplify. So 1 less equal to, we know z equal to x plus iy plus 1 less equal to 2. If we want to simplify, this is the x plus 1 is the real part. iy, we can represent the complex number this form. 1, we know this is the modulus function. We can write now modulus function, that means x plus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 2. If we want to squaring both sides, so 1 x plus 1 whole square plus y square less equal to 4. This complex number represent these types of equation. Am I right, friend? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at first we can just, here is the if you just compare this equation, if you want to compare this inequality, so we can write now the x plus 1 whole square plus y square greater equal to 1. Am I right, Mahfuz? Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is a circle. It is a circle. Center. It is a circle. Center minus 1 0 and radius equal to, suppose if you want to this 1. Am I right? Inequality, when you convert the inequality equation, if you want to solve the inequality, it is convert the equation, we can just compare it. It is a circle. First one we can get from this first inequality. From this question number equal to 1. First one. If you want to go to the second, that means x plus 1 whole square. Yes, Rakib.
So,
Yeah,
what
Rakib,
is the
yes.
center, sir? Here.
Center, that
So
means
what is
minus
the
1
center, sir?
minus 1 0 minus 1 0 is it? X minus a y 1 0. Rakib, minus 1 0.
Thank you, sir.
Center.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, and you can just compare this equation. So it is center also minus 1 comma 0 and radius equal to 2. and this is the inequality two circle set of circle here. If you want to present the circle at a graph, suppose center minus 1 comma 0, that means this is the center, radius equal to suppose 1, at first we can 1, so this is the suppose radius 1, and radius 2, that means 2, suppose radius 2, this types of circle. But if you want to find the region, this circle is the upper limit 4 and radius 2, this is the upper limit. What is the lower limit, Rakib? What is the lower limit? What is the lower limit? Afsana, what is the lower limit? What is the lower limit?
Sir, 1.
1. So this is the lower limit. So 1. This is the upper limit. We can sketch the this. We can sketch the this region. We can sketch the this region. We can find the this region. Pukrer part. Okay, Rakib. Pukrer part. Right.
Would you please
We can.
take in
Yes. So that is the center. That is the first circle. It is the center is same. A radius equal to 1, and it is the set of circle. Its upper limit equal to 4, lower limit equal to 1. So this is the 1. This is the 4, and we can find the 1 or 4 between the region of 1 and 4. This is the region. Am I right? Rakib, am I right? Again I
Yes,
can
sir.
again I can explain. Again I can explain that suppose you can draw a circle radius 1. You can draw radius equal to 2. Rakib, follow me. And this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. Then you can find this space. This space. This is the just gallery of the stadium. Okay. Gallery of the stadium. Are you clear, every friends? Are you clear now? Every friends, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Taliso, Tanjurul Islam, and all of my friends, we are very clear. When we get the any types of equation by any types of inequality, we can find the region of complex numbers. Am I right? Am I right, friend?
Yes, sir.
আমি কি একটা থ্যাংক ইউ পেতে পারি না? এত চমৎকার করে একটা গ্যালারি
Thank
দেখালাম।
you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
আমরা একটা কিভাবে গ্যালারি তৈরি করে দেখালাম কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার দিয়ে, মিরপুর গ্যালারিটা, এটা একটা থ্যাংক ইউ পেতে পারি না? হ্যালো।
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.